So here, if you want to write formal essay about real hello. You may start with a definition again or with a quote about friendship. Say, who can live without friends? Or give a quotation about friendship. According to Jesus Christ, what is the highest manifestation of friendship? Again, quiz B. According to our Lord Jesus Christ, what is the best manifestation of friendship? Answer. The thing that we cannot do. To lay down one's life for a friend. Can you do that? Okay. Bahala ka mo yan. So, muna, okay. So, hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. If your objective is, hello children, ay, kung nagagahod ang grupo niya kung maghambal. Dali na lang pala, tani may 10 minutes na lang kita or 5 minutes. But if you are busy talking there, I'll suspend the lecture. Sayang kasi yung boses ko. Salamat. Salamat. When you write an essay, first, formulate in mind what is your objective. What's your goal? What do you like the audience to read? So your purpose, please have a clear purpose. If you want to explain this outline, the points that you would like your readers to read and to remember. Take note, the points that you would like your readers to remember. So, have a clear purpose. Say here, if your purpose is to discuss the characteristics of real friends, then outline what are those characteristics and explain them. That's why I was telling you, state your main ideas and the support ideas. So one main idea plus support ideas. Another paragraph, main idea plus support ideas. And another paragraph, main ideas plus support ideas. Maybe before you end, you state your theme or what in the clincher, you call this clincher. What do you like the readers to remember? It could be a reflection, then you have the end. Okay. Let's now go to the contest. It's 2 p.m. I'll give you the topic.
Ano pagiging sugat niya?
Okay na. May lang clear. Ay,